Sir, this is a Taco Bell.
Welcome to Moniker or Taco. I don't know what we are at this point.
Welcome to Taco Bell, folks.
Welcome to Taco Bell. May I take your order?
Ooh.
Yeah, the Baja Blast.
Do they?
Good
Yeah.
shit.
Sponsored.
Awesome.
Taco Bell.
Wow.
Sponsor us.
I'm
I
not
just
a
went there
Mountain Dew
today
guy.
because I remembered it and I was like, I gotta try that.
No, I don't like.
Really?
I don't like Mountain Dew.
Well, I don't like the drink. I like the slushy.
The slushy is good.
That's the only. I don't care for the.
I do like the slushy. The icy.
slushy.
Mm.
Icy.
The icy.
Yeah, the icy.
Yeah.
Slushy. Icy.
It hurts.
But I don't like Mountain Dew anymore.
I'm not really.
I'm not a
I've
fan
never
of it
really
either.
been a Mountain Dew guy, so.
I'm more of a Coke guy.
Oh,
Just kidding.
the booger sugar.
Yeah.
Sugar.
No matter what, it has to be ice.
Yeah,
Ice is
it's
good.
got to be ice.
Ice is amazing.
Ice.
Okay, we ready?
Yep. Okay. So today, I guess we're opening up pack.
Yeah, we got.
We're opening up Pokemon packs.
We're playing Magic, but yeah, we're gonna start
Look,
opening
man,
Pokemon packs.
Look, they had the binder collections. I've been wanting the binder collections.
Oh, I can't apparently open a pack to save my life right now. I'm really struggling.
There's two different sets here. There's Black Bolt and White Flare.
Is there any?
So hide the codes. We don't give our codes away for free.
No free codes on this channel.
Until we're
Even though you
sponsored.
gave me a giant ass stack of them. I still have the pile. Right? You see that pile, Carson? At the far corner of that third shelf.
We were playing the Pokemon
That
card
one?
game online.
Yeah.
Want me to grab it?
No.
No, you don't have to. But that's a stack of QR codes that I
Look.
scanned in all of them.
Yeah, I bought. How much did I spend? Like $20, and I bought like 5,000 codes.
Yeah, it was. Whack.
Oh, I want to talk to her.
That's my mom.
Who was it?
That's my
Oh.
mom.
Mother.
Oh,
What'd you get?
rubbish. Full
Oh.
art.
I got a full art.
We got
Yeah?
a Pan stage, a Sima stage,
Not gonna
a
show it-
Bikini, and
We'll show them off at the end. Oh, damn.
Out of my 4 cards, I
Oh.
got 1. 4 packs, I got 1.
Consider yourself lucky.
Well, you opened up 4 packs.
Yeah, I'm on my second one right now.
Yeah, I got a
can't
zero
do
work.
this bad.
That has been the only
All right,
card.
I'm gonna get up and show off the cards.
Just off mine. These fish.
I don't think I got anything crazy. Sorry about your luck.
It's okay. I haven't got shit from this set.
Me. Yep.
I've-
3 packs, and it pissed me.
Yeah, I've opened up a few, and I haven't got anything. Those are actually my first 2 cool cards from the set.
I got all the hollows.
Here's all the rares on that. While you're working on that, I'm going to call my mom back.
Tell her I said hi.
We're gonna take a quick break.
All right, next up, what do we have?
Send me the card.
Send you them. What do you?
How do you
All right, we're back.
Lost Caverns of Elixir.
Oh, I have your code.
Elixian?
I have
This
your
is the
codes.
this is the set we've been opening. So
Okay.
I want more mana.
Okay, so this is
Oh,
main
okay.
things or mana crypts out of these apparently. I think there's some other stuff.
Oh, give me the top.
Oh yeah, the box toppers.
And they have the Jurassic Park pack too. Did I just amaze you how fast I opened it?
Oh, someone has a little more practice than me. All right, Mikey, these is getting split between you. Which stack do you want?
Give me the left. Oh, yeah, the one by you.
Hi.
This one.
I didn't say bye. I said hi.
I'll put those on the bottom. Okay.
Alrighty.
My mom said hi.
Lost
Nice.
Caverns of Ixalan. That camera too. We got 2 cameras here.
I guess we do.
Rip and dip.
I was gonna set up a third, but that takes time.
And money.
No,
Oh, you have it.
I have an old phone.
What are you setting up?
More cameras.
More cameras?
Yeah, he wants a computer cam. See what we're doing on the table.
Oh, that was the other commander I was gonna make, but I decided against it because he's back.
Ooh,
as
lightning
we all
greaves.
know.
Is it a good lightning greave?
Show off my lightning
Oh
greaves.
yeah, that's a nice one.
Can we show off stuff at the end? It's far away.
Look at it, screen.
Um,
I got a mythic.
I got the Jurassic Park one out of this one, I think.
Something
So-
deepest foundation.
So you can have as many Jurassic Park cards,
Oh, you can.
I believe. It's just there's one special
The
guest.
Special guest.
Oh, okay.
Putting this
Life
up.
finds a way.
Wait,
Oh, that's a cool.
I might buy that one. I still might buy that deck.
I think that's the only rare out of this one. No, it isn't.
Oh, damn! I might buy that one. too.
Boom.
That's cool art.
Yeah, I got a Jurassic Park card.
I'm just gonna make a stack of stuff to buy off you. Oh, I need to have
For those of you who don't know, I sell cards online after we rip them. That's how I fund the cards. That's how I fund the packs. Because somebody here has an addiction.
I like.
Do you
opening
separate
packs.
do you separate tokens?
You can if you want.
I put like the tokens and the art cards in a separate pile.
What is the?
I
Okay.
just
That's the special guest.
Is it a okay one?
It's not who we're looking for.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
Not good enough.
I'm sorry. It's my fault. Next time I won't open them.
another spawn.
I didn't mean it.
Warden Inner Sky.
Ooh.
Legendary.
Oh, what is it? Mythic? Mythic. Yeah.
Is it mythic or is that just cool?
Does
I
it say
can't
does it
see.
say I'm on it?
It'd be red.
Okay.
Dude, that
Yeah.
makes so much more sense now, dude. Oh shit, dude.
Ooh.
Ooh.
This guy. I think we got him last time.
Yeah, that's like
That's a nice one.
those are the cards I've been selling. It's a $20-some card. Bloodletter of Alcatraz. Whatever it is.
Alcaz.
I can never say it. I've been calling it.
Alcazats or
It could
something?
be. I've been calling it Alcatraz. I have that.
I'll call it Alcatraz too. Sounds better.
That's the deck I have. I have him as a deck. I didn't realize that card was worth so much. But yeah, that card's like $20-some on its own.
Interesting.
Roaming throne.
That's another $27 card.
Yeah.
It looks like a.
It's pretty good.
It's a good card.
It looks like a
Here.
It's an amazing.
guardian off of.
I'll set that there then.
It's a very good card. So
I know roaming throne.
you know him personally.
Yeah, I do. I
Met him before.
yeah, we were just hanging out the other day, you know. You'd like him, Joe. He also
Yeah?
has gout.
Oh, another one is Cave of Souls or Cavern of Souls. The rare land. You guys see that one? That's like another $30 card.
Cavern of Souls.
It's either like Cave of Souls or Cavern of Souls.
Okay.
Something like that.
You know, I'm kind of tempted to make a proxy deck out of just all art cards.
They sell like
There is some cards do just have all art and no description. Like that are legit.
Altar the Wretched.
they also
That
make
sounds
proxy
cool. What is
decks.
that?
It's an artifact. When it enters the battlefield, you may sacrifice a non-token creature. You draw X cards, then mill X cards where X is that creature's power. It's a draw outlet, but
Mhm.
I mean, it could still be beneficial.
Yeah.
Especially since it's a black artifact.
You guys find your special guest yet?
I don't think I have.
I don't think so. It's a star, right?
It is a star.
I don't know what some of these are.
Some of the cards or some of the what?
Yeah, like just like I'm getting some mythics,
Caverns.
but I don't know if they're any good or not. Something Sun's Brilliance. It's a 2-drop.
Hmm.
Create a token that's a copy of another target creature or artifact you control, except it's an artifact in addition to its other types. It gains haste. Sacrifice it at the beginning of your next instant.
Carrion?
Hmm.
Maybe it's Carrion.
Oh, that's a good one. I got Ellen, Daring Traveler. Foil.
Legendary. Oh, he looks kind of cool. Card art looks
He's
cool.
in my cool.
Got a captivating cave.
No, that one is worthless.
Mhm.
I have too many of them.
Oh, it's another version of the card I just put in my other pile, but
A prettier version?
no, uglier version. The other one I found was foil.
Tishana's Tidebender.
I got
Look at this
Restless
card.
Ridgeline. It's a foil full
I
art.
just pulled the art
land,
card for that.
rare.
Look at that.
Hmm.
Show him the art. Show
Oh,
him the
that's
art.
cool.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You know, this had the opposite effect on me that it did Joe.
What?
This satiates addiction. It makes mine worse. Because now I want to go open cards.
I just buy more.
This fly has been driving me nuts.
There's
Where
a
the-
fly in the room, guys.
Where's the fly trap?
I don't have
Where
any
the
'cause I
fly
don't really
traps?
need 'em.
We're gonna be swatting at
Who
him
brought this
today.
fly with them?
Me, I stank.
I mean, I didn't get really shit.
I'm getting some stuff. It's not.
Yeah,
Doesn't seem like
we
enough.
may or may not have got pretty much a dud of a box.
Those might be too good. We've gotten some stuff.
Don't
but I
say
know if it's
that.
enough to-
Don't say that yet.
No, we just
Hey.
gotta dirty talk the box, then it will
Oh,
give
yeah.
us something good.
Yeah, give me your mythics.
Dude, y'all need to.
That is one fucking rare. Trash his bins at the table.
Threefold Thunderhawk. The full art. It's an uncommon.
All the full art uncommons I've just been leaving in the normal stack.
I may or may not have been doing the exact opposite of that.
I used to keep them separate, but normally they're not.
I just think they're pretty.
They are pretty. Something the great tool. Tap to draw a card, then discard. 4 transform,
Long
great
collapse and a
door.
trumpeting Carnus.
Oh. Then it turns into the core, a legendary land. Tap
is-
to add X mana of any color where X is the
What
number
is
of permanent
discover?
cards in your graveyard. That's actually kind of nice, isn't it?
I don't remember. It's like
Here.
Mill card. Yeah.
That doesn't seem bad.
That's pretty good.
Um, dude, what the hell? Put those in boxes or packs? It's the first time I've ever got one.
What are they?
The yeah, the
The growing rights of Elamok. I think that's cool.
Growing rights is a good. Yeah.
Oh, he looks cool though. I'm keeping. Oh, he looks cool.
Oh, he looks cool.
Oh, okay, there. 3 rare packs. I'll take that.
Do you have one of those? 3 rare packs? I do.
It's cool. Goblin pirate. I need to start stacking up these pirates to put in my. I know. There's getting some cool cards out of here. I need to start splitting them up.
Then pirates and dinosaurs. I mean, that is like a 12-year-old's dream. Is it not?
I guess.
There is.
Arg! No. Bro, no.
Squirming emergence.
Those your talk. Use this conversation. He's a 6.
Oh, did you put your nice cards away yet?
He's a 6/6 god with if one or more Kracer tokens would be created under your control 3 times that many of those tokens were created instead. When he dies, return him tapped and transformed under its owner's control.
So there's 5 of those cards that are like deepest something. I can't remember which one it is.
Mikey got it.
Like the rest of them are like $1, and then there's one that's like $20 or $30. I can't remember which one it was.
Well,
Could be that.
Maybe that's the one. You can keep it out if you want. Osier Talk. He's the white one.
Oh, he token?
Is he token?
Is he token?
Tokens.
Yeah, that's expensive one.
That is. Okay.
Yeah, because tokens aren't.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a quick show off of what mythics and rares I got.
Yeah, let me see your pile.
First off, I'm gonna show the stuff on
At 150% markup. It is a good looking card.
Yeah, Joe got one of those too. Deepest Foundation. That was good. Yep.
My last.
Oh, this is the commander? Okay. Cool.
curious if I have one of these breaches that Goblin Pirate in my pirate deck.
Can I see your?
Hey,
Of
Joe.
the stuff.
Yeah, but
There's a star up in the symbols. Is that what you said?
Joe.
yeah, it's
You
the
want me
set
to just-
symbol.
Put my mic over there for you when you go up there.
Oh, we can do that. All right, me talking. It picks it up some.
I'm gonna need to go take a look. It can be anything too, right? Like it can be.
It can be a, I think a common, uncommon, or. Yeah. He pulled it, but I haven't found what area.
It's like an actual like star.
Yeah.
Star.
Here's the symbol. Yeah, I run one in Twitter.
You show me it again.
Here, give me half yours. I'll look for it. Missed the gold. Rare.
What did you say? Which one is it? Get lost.
Get lost.
That's a side.
just pulling out everything with a different. Yep, that was my file. 10 years.
Fine.
I didn't realize it can be more than just. I didn't realize it can be more than just the red. So.
Oh yeah.
It is.
The monkey's paw. The
Oh.
monkey's fist. The monkey.
The monkey.
So that is special guest. I just wanted to buy.
I don't know which one I like more. I kind of like the one more than I do the
I'm a cheap guy. Whichever one's cheaper is probably
Very
what I like.
These are maps.
Fine, yeah.
What did you give it? Both of these. So, I mean,
They broke.
if you want to show them off for
Yeah.
me, and I can just narrate it. Yeah, so that's the white deep foundation. And then lemon brown. Yep.
Sick.
I'll just give you the one cool art one that they want to see. It's colorful. Wow, it's colorful.
Is that all the cards we got? I think we did okay.
Okay.
I'll
Okay is the
take
best
it.
way I can put
I
it.
found some cool cards I personally like.
Okay is a good way to describe that.
It's still fun opening packs. Like, good time. Just we're considering the money aspect.
Maybe not.
Maybe not, but
It's okay.
Um,
We had fun.
that's all we have to open. I think that's where we're going to call this video. We will see you all next time. Bye.
Bye.